So I went to start my ride-on lawnmower the other day. The thing is dead as a doornail. The battery is about 5 years old, and it's time. There's no more juice out of the thing. These batteries are probably gonna last you about 5 years, and it's time to replace mine. So if you need to replace the battery in your ride-on lawnmower, this video will show you how to do it. This one happens to be on a Murray, but should be the same on a whole bunch of ride-on lawnmowers. There's nothing too crazy about it. We'll show you what needs to be done, so let's dive into this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is locate where your battery is on your ride-on lawnmower. Most of them are probably going to be where mine is, under the seat. And make sure the keys out of the ignition and all that good stuff. And then mine happens to be a 7/16 nut that's on this, so remove the ground. Don't lose your bolt or your nut. Remove the positive. Mine has a battery hold down right there. So press down on this and remove it out of the way. There it goes. Pull the battery out and put my new battery in. This one was from Walmart. It was, at the time of this video, it's $29. So you put the new battery in. Before you hook up the battery, take a wire brush and clean up the battery terminals so they're nice and shiny, and that'll provide for a better contact. Your positive and your negative. Alright, so now I'm going to hook up the positive battery first. Right, I'm going to use another wrench to tighten it up so the connection's not loose. Sounds good. Put your protective cap back if you have one. There you go. And now hook up the ground wire, the negative wire. Alright, that one's on there nice, nothing's loose. Then put your battery hold down bar back. Alright, that's nice secure, then I can put the seat back down. Okay, now it's time to fire it up. So the other thing I wanted to add is when you buy a battery, I bought this one off Walmart, there's probably a core charge on the battery. So keep your receipt, and then you can bring the battery back to Walmart or wherever you got it for, and they'll give you your money back. There was, I think, a $12 core charge on this one. So I'm gonna go back to Walmart tomorrow, return the battery, and I get my money back, and I'm good to go. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment. I'd be more than happy to reply back to you. Thanks for watching the video, guys.